for the update. New 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I'll probably be back by then. I'm not missing. What the flip? Oh, night, yeah. Yes, I placed the moon deal. Jiggy? Yes, the moon thing. I forgot it can illuminate. Yes, minus 2. What did I reply to? Not my amber lily, not my banana, not my beans. My banana. Yeah, twin struck. The flip did it? What the heck did it apply? Letter. Here. Oh, what's that up there? What's that up there? Oh, that is tiny glaze or something. Yeah, the scariest thing is when fruit moonlit what again? Anyways, wow, in the other shot it was so hard. Yeah, see, like on my phone, it's always, yeah, because I'm playing on my phone now, as you can see with the jump button and the joystick. It's never there, but when I'm on my laptop, it's always on. Oh, and by the way, I added this. Yes, this is a bookshelf. I ran out of those. Oh yeah, yeah. So this is the frog. Yo, mutate of fruit to moonlet. It's not even a point to moonlet anymore. They don't even sell for that much. Copycat. Now I must see bros. Bait. Yeah, so just jump on the torch. And then we're here. I'm done with this guy. Oh yes, I spawned over here. Yes. Yes, I love being able to, you can just teleport. Where else do you need to be? Brown bench. Brown bench? When was that? A log bench. No, I need something flat, bro. Oh, lamppost. I'm broke though. I have to, guys. I have to. Yeah, I am broke. So don't even. I know I am. Nothing. Wow. Just wow.